What's up, my wonderful audience? How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make some fufu, some GB, okay? So yesterday, if you've been following me, the fufu I made yesterday, that fufu was a bomb, y'all. I can't believe my children don't usually like African food, but when I make that fufu yesterday, everything finished on the spot. So like this fufu is like a popular demand. So this is the bowl I'm going to be using. So I have plantain flour here. This is plantain fufu, which is made out of plantain flour. And I have mashed potato right here. This is mashed potato. So I'm going to be mixing the two of them to get one perfect result. So the reason I'm mixing the two stuff is most of the time when people just make just the fufu like this, we're all mixing it, sometimes it gets people constipated. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the fufu, or you know, struggling from there, okay? So let me rinse in this bowl. We have our measuring spoon right here, a measuring cup right here. So let's see how many cups of fufu we're gonna be using today. Yeah, whenever I use my fufu, I usually like put in a Ziploc bag just to keep. Oh my God! Don't tell me the fufu almost finished. Yeah, I can't believe this. Oh, okay. This one can make it. So this is 1 cup right here, and let's say it's roughly about, let's call it 2 cups though. So it's actually 1.5 cup right here. So let's get to the mashed potato. This is the mashed potato, but when I open the box, I love to save it in a Ziploc bag like this right here. So let's say 2 cups of plantain flour. For 2 cups of plantain flour with 1 cup of mashed potato is 100% okay? Yeah. So this is it right here. So it's optional. If you want to mix this stuff with your hand, it's 100% okay. If you don't want to mix it with your hand, you can grab a spoon or fufu stick or whatever you want to use. But in my kitchen as an African lady, I have my fufu stick here. We have different kinds of fufu stick. You can use any of these, but I love this one. You can use this, but I'm going to be using this one today. Just like I'm making a video. So this is the fufu flour right here. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So let's see how many cups of water we're going to use today. Let's see how many cups of water we can use on this fufu. So I usually make my fufu with warm water. Yeah, warm water gonna be fine. So let's measure. This is 1 cup right here. This is 2 cups right here. We'll be using 3 cups. So this is 3 cups right here. Okay. So we'll be mixing this fufu. If you want to use your hands to make the fufu, it's 100% okay. But my nails is painted, so I don't want some of the paint from my nails or polish for my nails to go in my fufu. So I'll be using my fufu stick. Yeah, whatever that works better for you is what you're gonna use. Okay. So we got 3 cups of water and 3 cups of fufu. It seems like it's not enough, so I might be putting 1 or 2 more cups of water on this fufu right here. So let's go and see. If you really want your fufu to be thick, then this is okay, but for me, I don't want my fufu to be thick, okay? So I gotta pour 2 more cups of water. Can you back up a little bit? Okay. So we got 3 cups of water right here. Stop that, because be nice. 3 cups of water. We got 4 in here. You just gonna, our African cooking mostly goes by heart. So if you put a 4 cups of water, you think it's not enough, then you can still add it up. It's 100% okay. Yeah, to add it up if you want to. Just make sure you stir everything up until it looks like a liquid. Yeah. Okay, we got 4 cups of water here. I can still, it's still okay to put 1 more cup of water if I want to. 4. Okay. 5 is okay. I'm not putting this one again, okay? 5 cups of water for a fufu. Yeah, let's try this and see, y'all. So I'm just gonna mix everything up. After mixing it up, yeah, I can't believe my kids don't like African food, but I'm surprised.
I do.
Yeah, you love fufu. Yeah, so after mixing the fufu, this is how it look like. I hope you guys can see. Let me know in the comment section if you can see me in this bowl, okay? Okay. I'm just taking the spoon out. I'm still gonna need a spoon, so I'll put it aside right here. Okay. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to cover my fufu up. You can cover your fufu up with a bag or plastic, whatever you need to do. But I'm gonna be covering my fufu.
A trash bag.
Yeah, no, I'm not. You're not gonna cover fufu with trash bag. But yeah, this is a Ziploc bag. You don't really have to use Ziploc bag. Whatever you have to cover your fufu is okay. But for me, I love to use this Ziploc bag because it's like, I think it's clean though. So
It's for snacks.
yeah.
And for fruits.
Okay. So this is the Ziploc bag right here. Just I get back a little bit and start making noise.
No.
So I usually open my fufu like this. I mean my Ziploc bag like this and just cover it up. The reason I'm covering this fufu with a bag because I want to keep the heat in this bowl, okay? I want all of the heat to be on my fufu. So where's my water? Can I have that water? Big one. Be fast, I want a water. So you're gonna grab a top that is gonna be okay to cover this bowl right here. So I will be putting this in the microwave for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to show you guys the result. So let's go there. So guys, the 10 minutes is over and it's time to check in the fufu, y'all. Guys, I don't know why, but we can stop eating this fufu the kids and I. Yeah, this fufu is a bomb. Yeah, guys, have you tasted fufu before? If you want to know how to make fufu, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to teach you many ways to make fufu. We have different ways to make fufu. You can make fufu on the stove, make fufu in the microwave. Yes. Oh my god, this is the bomb, y'all. Ooh. The fufu looked like real GB. Oh my gosh. So guys, I do not need to put any more minutes on this fufu. It's all ready to eat. I just have to let it get cold, and we have a special soup for this fufu. If you want to eat this fufu with a pepper soup or water soup or peanut butter soup, it's 100% okay. But we have a traditional way of making this soup for fufu. We call it GB soup, okay? GB soup is kind of snappy, like sometimes we got okra, we got eggplant, and we got some venison with a lot of rich meat and ingredients and everything in it, okay? So yeah guys, this is how we make our fufu. This is how to make fufu, y'all. If you're watching me from Grand Bassa County, shout out to you. It looked like Doma, right? Yeah, I like the color. Yeah. The fufu stay hot, so oh my god, it's hot. The fufu is hot. The fufu is hot. Did you see this? Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I use 10 minutes though. You don't have to use a lot of minutes. You can use like maybe 6 to 7 minutes for your fufu, but I just like this color right here. Yep. So I'm just gonna let it get cool, y'all, and help myself, y'all. So if you want to learn how to cook soup for fufu, if you want to learn how to cook fufu soup, just let me know in the comment section below. I can send you the video for how to make fufu soup. If you want to eat your fufu just like this, it's 100% okay. If you want to eat your fufu with soup, like peanut butter soup, water soup, or pepper soup, it's okay. Back in Africa where I'm from, we eat fufu with different stuff though. We eat fufu with palawa sauce. I sometimes see people eating fufu with okra, yeah, okra sauce, palawa sauce, water green, tomato soya, something. Yeah, but this is how the fufu look like. So just let me know in the comment section what you think of the fufu, okay? Yeah, thank you. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Love you all so much. Before I go, I want to say shout out to our graduates, our youngest graduate intern. She's no one else but the CEO of Rosalind Daycare and the manager of the Rosemary TV. Shout out to you, baby girl. Love you so much. Congratulations. Thank you, Lord, for another day. That's it, y'all. So I'm gonna turn this video off. Yeah, so I'm about to go live now. I just wanted to do this one for my YouTube fans, my audience. It wet outside, raining outside there. American children are outside business, not easy. No. That's it, y'all. So this is the best way to make fufu. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.